In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Amazon Prime membership is active and in good standing. Keeping your membership active is crucial for uninterrupted access to all the benefits that Amazon Prime offers, from fast shipping to exclusive deals and video streaming. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Begin by navigating to Amazon.com on your preferred web browser. Once there, look towards the top right of the page, where you'll find the Accounts and Lists section. Hover over this area, which will present you with a drop-down menu filled with several options. Here, you want to click on Memberships and Subscriptions. This is where you can access all the details related to your Amazon Prime membership and any other subscriptions you might have with Amazon. Now, it's time to check the status of your membership. You want to ensure that your Prime membership is still active and hasn't expired. On the Memberships and Subscriptions page, you should see all the relevant information about your Prime status. If your membership is still active, you're good to go. However, if you notice that it's expired, you'll need to renew your subscription to continue enjoying the benefits that come with it. Often, when a membership lapses, it's due to issues with your payment method. Speaking of payment methods, if for any reason your payment for the membership failed, perhaps due to an expired credit card, insufficient funds, or if your card was flagged for some reason, you'll need to address this. To do so, head to your payment settings under Your Account and update your payment method. Simply follow the instructions to add a new card or update the details of your existing one. This step is essential because an updated payment method will ensure your membership renews without a hitch. Before we wrap up, let's talk internet connectivity. A stable connection is fundamental for accessing all the online benefits of your Amazon Prime membership, especially streaming services. Ensure your internet speed is at least 3 Mbps for smooth usage. And if you experience any issues logging in or accessing your account, a simple restart of your app or browser often resolves minor glitches and performance issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily confirm and maintain the status of your Amazon Prime membership, ensuring uninterrupted service and access to all the perks it offers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.